Today something super exciting happened. I went to the park. And guess what? I found a secret shape. Near the bench, there was a box. But this wasn't a normal box. It looked like it was hiding something. I slowly went closer. Tap it, tap it, tap. Then I started walking around it. Corner 1, corner 2, corner 3. Wait, there's one more. Corner 4. I got confused. Mom, I called. What is this shape? Mom came and smiled. She said, when something has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. She gently showed me each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All sides are equal. Then she pointed at the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are corners. Now I understood. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. I started looking everywhere. Window, tiles on the floor, gift box, even my biscuit. Oh wow, squares are everywhere. Now it's your turn. Can you find the square? Think carefully. Yes, it's the window. You're amazing. Let's learn another shape next time.